In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom to selection in Figma. If you've ever been lost in a large canvas or jumping between different parts of a complex layout, this will instantly clean up your workflow. Zoom to selection is a simple shortcut that snaps your view right to the thing you care about, so you can design, inspect, or present without hunting around. Start by selecting the object or objects you want to focus on. A single click selects one layer, and holding Shift while clicking lets you add more layers to the selection. You can also drag a loose box around items to lasso them, which is helpful when elements are close together. This works the same whether you're selecting frames, groups, components, or images. If it's selected, you can zoom to it. With your selection active, press Shift+2 on your keyboard. Instantly, Figma centers the chosen item and adjusts the zoom so it neatly fills your viewport. You'll notice it gives you a comfortable amount of space around the edges, making it easy to evaluate spacing, typography, and alignment without distractions. This is especially powerful on sprawling files with many artboards, where manually panning and scrolling can waste time. A couple of quick zoom companions help you reset your view at any moment. Press Shift+1 to fit the entire page in view. Use this when you want the big picture, like reviewing a full set of screens or checking overall layout flow. Then, when you're ready to get back to work on something specific, simply select it and hit Shift+2 again to dive right back in. For a true-to-life look at the size and sharpness of your design, press Shift+0 to jump to 100%, or actual size. This is great for pixel-accurate checks, ensuring text legibility and icon crispness at the intended scale. It's common to alternate between 100% for detail work and zoom to selection for context and navigation. Putting it all together is straightforward. Select what you need, press Shift+2 to focus, Shift+1 to regain the full overview, and Shift+0 whenever you want a precise, real-size preview. Once you get used to this rhythm, you'll move through your files faster, review designs more clearly, and maintain momentum without constant scrolling or guesswork. That's all you need to master zoom to selection in Figma. Keep these shortcuts in your muscle memory, and your canvas will always be exactly where you want it.